They really believed I'd stay down, silent, and defeated. They thought quiet meant weak, that it meant broken. But silence isn't surrender. It's the calm before the storm. And this storm, it's about to split the skies. Out there, they're laughing, convinced they've won. They don't realize the silence before the strike is louder than any scream. Once, I was silent, but now, my roar drowns out their laughter. They tried to bury me, hoping I'd rot in the dirt. But they didn't bury me. They planted me. And now, I've risen. Stronger, darker, unstoppable. They think they've escaped, that their story ends here. But they've only delayed the inevitable. I don't need their pity, their mercy, or anyone's approval. They thought I'd beg for another chance. For what? I don't beg. I take. And when I do, they'll remember this moment. The moment they should have finished the job. The moment they should have run. They think they've faced the worst. They have no idea. What they saw before, that was me holding back. That was me in chains, silenced. But now there's nothing holding me back. They're about to learn what real darkness feels like. It'll cling to their skin, crawl into their bones, fill every breath with the weight of their mistakes. They took my silence as weakness. That was their biggest mistake. Now they'll pay. They don't get to walk away, not after what they've done. The bruises, the scars, they aren't signs of defeat. They're proof that I survived. Proof that I outlasted their cowardice. Were you? I felt the hollow point in my shrug. They fed the beast they should have left starving. They woke the demon they should have let lie. And now it's too late. Things have gotten hella skewed. The gates are open and I'm stepping through. I don't need anyone. I'll take them down one by one if I have to. And when they're lying in the dirt, choking on their own regret, they'll remember my face. This is what vengeance looks like. It's loud, violent, and final. There's no mercy here, no forgiveness. They'll bleed for every drop of blood they took from me. They'll cry for every tear I shed. They'll choke on every word they spat in my face. They thought they could break me, but they were wrong. I'm not broken. I'm unleashed. And now, they'll wish they'd finished me when they had the chance. They wanted me weak, helpless. But all they did was call down a reckoning. One by one, they'll bow, not out of respect, but out of fear. They thought they held the strings. Now I pull them. Every betrayal, every sneer, every broken promise. I remember it all. They thought they could move on, that they were free of me. But I'm already here, inside their heads, tearing apart their peace. They think they've built something solid, something untouchable, but I'll dismantle it, piece by piece. This isn't just revenge, it's justice. They tried to push me down. Now I'm pulling them under, into the darkness, into the void. There's no light there, no hope, only me. Only the vengeance they thought they could escape. Long in the burning shade, when slavery has gone so far, it's only the death that stands. They'll scream, but no one's coming to save them. They'll scream, but no one's coming to save them. Their friends they counted on, gone. The friends they trusted, scattered. Now they're as alone as they left me. In their final moments, they left me. In their final moments, they'll realize this was always how it would end. They can't run. They can't hide. I am the shadow they tried to escape. I am the reckoning. Once I was assailant, but now my vengeance speaks, and it screams their names.